Hello, dear learners. Welcome to Amuse. I am Amrita Shan. This is English at Amuse, and today we are going to make practice of one another cue card that is for IELTS speaking module. So, in which you are asked to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes. So, let's get started for today and see which topic we are going to discuss and practice together. Describe a minor accident you had in the past. So you are going to describe a minor accident. Minor accident means there it was an accident, but still there was no risk to life. And your cues are how the accident happened, what you did about it, how long it took you to recover, and explain how you felt about the accident. So these are our 4 questions that we will answer one by one. But before that, we will go with our idea building and then introduction that would be relevant to our Q topic. So this is for idea building, dear learners. I have taken all the things related to driving. You can talk about some reckless driving when you were driving very fast and unluckily you met with an accident. Unluckily, you met with an accident, or you were trying to overtake some speedy vehicle. You were listening music while driving, and it could be that you broke some traffic rule. You didn't stop at red light, or it could be that you were not having the license. You have not attained the license age and didn't have even the training of driving, but you tried driving something and got that injury in an accident. So let's see that which topic or which idea I am going to discuss with you for this cue card. And we will start with our introduction. Introduction that should be very relevant to the question. Accidents and injuries come uninvited. Life is not very safe today. Life is not very safe on the roads today. You can also speak like this. Sometimes such situations occur for others' mistake and sometimes our own mistake fall heavy on us. I too met with an accident last year and remained in the bed for about 3 weeks. So dear learners, here you are saying that एक्सीडेंट इंजरीज जो हैं वो कभी भी हो सकती हैं. लाइफ जो है रोड के ऊपर बिल्कुल सेफ नहीं है. कभी हम ऐसी सिचुएशन में चले जाते हैं दूसरों की मिस्टेक के कारण, और कभी कभी जो हमारी अपनी मिस्टेक है वो हम पर भारी पड़ जाती है. और मेरे साथ भी कुछ ऐसा ही हुआ लास्ट ईयर, और मैं जब 3 वीक्स बेड में रहा. सो now we should go to our first cue, how the accident happened. So here you will describe that what exactly happened that you met with an accident. You are saying that, well, it was when I was in 12th class and had got a mobile for the first time. Being excited, I started carrying it with me most of the time and exchanged my contact number with my friends and folks. That day I was on my bike and was on way to home from school. Suddenly my phone started ringing and I attended the call, started talking while driving. At a turn, I lost the balance and the bike slipped abruptly. I fell down unconscious. So you are saying that you had got some new mobile, आपको एक नया मोबाइल मिला था, आप एक्साइटेड थे, फ्रेंड्स के साथ आपने नंबर भी एक्सचेंज किया हुआ था. तो एक बारी स्कूल से घर आ रहे थे तो आपका जो मोबाइल है वो रिंगिंग शुरू हो गया. किसी ने आपको कॉल किया, आपने उसी टाइम बाइक ड्राइव करते हुए अपना कॉल अटेंड किया, और एक टर्न के ऊपर एक मोड़ पे आके आपने बैलेंस लूज कर दिया. बाइक जो है जल्दी से वो स्लिप हो गया, अचानक स्लिप हो गया, और आप जो है बेहोश होकर गिर गए. सो दिस इज यू हैव टोल्ड हाउ द एक्सीडेंट हैपेंड. रीड इट अगेन, लिसन टू मी अगेन, and practice it, dear learners. This is our second cue, what you did about it. So अब ये है कि आपने क्या किया. तो let's see that what I have ideas for you. I was responsible for the mishap. आप बोल रहे हैं कि इस मिसहैप के लिए आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे. I got lost in the talk and did not notice the gravel spread at a turn and continued riding my bike at my speed. Continued riding my bike at my speed and busy on the phone. आप बोल रहे हैं कि आपने नोटिस ही नहीं किया कि सड़क पर कुछ ग्रेवल स्प्रेड था, कुछ कंकड़ पत्थर स्प्रेड थे. आप अपने बात में बिजी थे और अपनी स्पीड पे ड्राइव कर रहे थे. इट हैड टू हैपन, ये तो होना ही था. Luckily, I was taken to hospital by some stranger. When I came to senses, I saw my parents were standing near me. My mother was crying and doctors and nurses were attending me. I was told about the fracture in my right leg and the leg was in plaster. I was about to lie in one position and I was forbidden to move even an inch. So you are saying that when you came to senses, you saw that आपके मदर, आपके पेरेंट्स वहाँ थे, डॉक्टर्स आपको अटेंड कर रहे थे और आपको बताया गया कि लेग में फ्रैक्चर हुआ है, लेग पे प्लास्टर भी था तब तक और आपको कुछ भी मूव करने से, आपको बिल्कुल हिलने जुलने से उन्होंने मना किया मूव करने से. So here you have told that yes, there was some injury, you have got the fracture, but definitely you can also add, dear learners, here that there was no risk to my life. I was very much safe in that way. It was a minor injury in the sense that I have got the fracture only. So, but I had to be in the bed for about couple of weeks. And our next cue is how long it took you to recover. You will say that I remained in the hospital for a week and was sent home for rest for 3 weeks. 1 week हॉस्पिटल में रहने के बाद आपको 3 weeks के लिए रेस्ट के लिए भेजा गया घर, आपको घर भेज दिया गया. That was a time difficult. That was a difficult time for me as I had to be in the bed for most of the time. No school, no extra classes, no evening matches, etc. with my friends made the days go endlessly long. आप बोल रहे हैं कि कोई स्कूल नहीं था, कोई एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस नहीं थे और कोई फ्रेंड्स के साथ मैचेस नहीं थे और दिन तो जो है वो खत्म ही नहीं होने को आता था. इट वॉज एंडलेसली लॉन्ग. After 3 weeks, when the plaster was opened, I was advised to go for physiotherapy, which was another difficult phase for me. प्लास्टर खुलने के बाद आपको जो एक्सरसाइजेस के लिए बोला गया वो भी आपके लिए एक डिफिकल्ट टाइम था. Mother was always here for me at my call to take care of me, and I felt sorry for what happened with me. I followed the complete medical prescriptions and precautions, and finally, it was after a month I could stand on my own. तो आपने बोला कि आपने पूरे मेडिकल प्रिकॉशंस एंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस को फॉलो किया. आपके मदर हमेशा आपके साथ थे आपकी टेक केयर करने के लिए और 1 मंथ के बाद जो है आप खुद अपने पाँव के ऊपर खड़े हो पाए. And our last cue is and explain how you felt about the accident. और अब आपने बताना है कि इस एक्सीडेंट के बारे में आपने कैसा महसूस किया. God is great, everything happens for good and the same happened with me. So now you can give a star, dear learners, like this that thank God I was back to life and there was no serious injury that I had got that would go with me for the lifetime because it was a minor accident otherwise. And some crack was there in my leg and that recovered with the rest of about 3 weeks. So here you are saying that God is great, everything happens for good, and the same happened with me. The accident taught me a lesson that we can never take our life for granted. मैंने एक लेसन लर्न किया कि हम लाइफ को फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं ले सकते. A little nonchalance and carelessness could cause a big loss. थोड़ी सी लापरवाही जो है उससे बहुत भारी नुकसान हो सकता है. How risky attending call could be while driving, I had seen and suffered. कि ड्राइव करते हुए कॉल अटेंड करना कितना रिस्की हो सकता है ये मैंने देखा भी था और मैंने सफर भी किया था. आई प्रॉमिस टू माई सेल्फ नेवर टू यूज मोबाइल वाइल ड्राइविंग एंड टू बी मोर डिसिप्लिन ऑन द रोड. I had not only suffered the pain but had seen it in my mother's eyes for me. ये दुख जो है मैंने महसूस ही नहीं किया था, माँ की आंखों में देखा भी था. Everything was only uh, everything was only because of my mistake. Everything had happened only because of my mistake, and now I take all care and keep mobile silent when driving on a road. So now you say that you have learned a lesson. अब आप अपने मोबाइल को साइलेंट पे रखते हैं जब आप ड्राइव कर रहे होते हैं. So this is done, and some good words and phrases that we have used in this description are: injuries come uninvited. जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इंजरीज हैं बिना बुलाए आ जाती हैं. फॉल हैवी ऑन, कोई जो मिस्टेक है हम पर भारी पड़ सकती है. बीइंग एक्साइटेड, क्योंकि मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड था. फ्रेंड्स एंड फोक्स, अपने दोस्तों की बात कर रहे हैं हम. स्लिप्ड एब्रप्टली, मैं एकदम अचानक मैं फिसल गया. फेल डाउन अनकॉन्शियस मीन्स मैं बेहोश हो गया. टू बी इन द बेड, बिस्तर में रहा. गो एंडलेसली लॉन्ग, हम टाइम की बात कर रहे थे कि टाइम जो है वो खत्म नहीं होने को आता है, एंडलेसली लंबा हो जाता है. डिफिकल्ट फेज फॉर मी, एक मेरे लिए कठिन समय था. एट माई कॉल, माँ हमेशा मेरे साथ थी. एट माई कॉल, वी हैड यूज दिस फ्रेज ओवर देयर. प्रिकॉशंस एंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शंस एंड प्रिकॉशंस. cannot take life for granted. लाइफ को तो हम for granted ले ही नहीं सकते हैं. Non-challenge and carelessness means लापरवाही. So these are beautiful phrases, collocations, synonyms, and the use of adverbs. Take all these words to your vocabulary and bring in use while making practice. So dear learners, this is done for today. Thank you for watching. Like the video, share it with your friends. I will see you with some other topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.